magkakaroon ng bayat.
I can be the bigger man.
I have very, very small words.
Very tiny.
Like his coffee.
I call in Chad Rosedet for our first question. Hindi kami nabanggit lang si Direct Victor kanina na naalala ko. Daring daw kasi to, so hindi siya sure kung kaya mo talagang gawin. How daring ba yung gagawin mo dito?
Well,
Nagpakita ka ba?
ha?
Nagpakita ka?
May isang scene. May isang scene.
Na?
Siyempre, kailangan ko i-prove na hindi nga ako si Big Bird. Diba? So,
Okay.
yung scene na yun. Pero it goes to a very intense scene na weird dynamics na hindi pa ata nakikita. Ever.
Hindi nyo ba napanood yung pelikula?
Napanood namin.
This was shot in Pattaya, right?
Yes.
Masaya doon.
Bangkok.
In Bangkok also. Pattaya and Bangkok. How many % of the film was shot in Thailand?
Mga
80%. Okay, wow.
83%.
80,
Kinakilig ko sa utak ko.
83% naman pala. Okay. Yeah, okay. No, let's ask first itong from Chad Rosete of Manila Feed. Chad, basahin mo na yung question mo. Is Chad here? Okay, wala. For Enrique, Pepe, Nico, and Red, okay, for the cast, if you were to choose, kayo ba ay Big Bird or not Big Bird?
Pass.
Wala naman sa choice yun eh. Ready.
If I were to choose,
Ikaw ba ay Big Bird or not Big Bird?
parang ang laking responsibility ng Big Bird eh. Doon yung natutunan ko sa shoot na sa...
Basta walang explanation, pili lang.
Pili lang ba ako kayo? Not.
Not Big Bird. Nico.
Nico Ducks nga eh.
Oh!
Ano sabi ng survey?
Big Bird. Okay. Pepe?
Proudly not Big Bird.
Smile ka pa, Ken, ikaw? Both.
Hindi naman lagi, di ba? Minsan, pag malamig, di ba?
Alam mo, we're gonna be in big trouble.
Seasonal.
Ken,
Hindi.
you have no idea kung ano pwede nilang itanong, ha?
Pretty good.
With
pretty
your
good
movie
bird.
title pala, I don't know. Where will this go? Baka mag-viral ka bigla tonight. Okay. Ken, ang next question ni Chad is, after ilang years na magkasama kayo ni Liza for projects, paano ka nag-adjust sa mga pagbabago sa career mo now that you're doing a solo project like this?
Adjust?
Was there adjustment? Siguro okay, maganda kasi, I have a trivia here,
Yeah.
that for the last Valentine offerings noon ng Star Cinema and Black Sheep, you've done My X and Y's and
Yes.
Alone Together.
Correct.
So it's with someone.
Yes.
So now you're doing a Valentine movie alone.
Yes.
Kaya siguro
Well,
hence
I'm
the
not
question.
alone. I have my bird cat with me.
yes.
Pero, well,
Baling sumagot,
na-
magaling.
yeah, siguro not only, doing this alone without Liza, I think also me being out for almost like 4 years was itself also an adjustment for me to go back and, get back on track. Yeah, pero medyo nasanay din ako. I mean, not super, but before I was paired up with Liza and our love team, lagi naman ako pinapair with everybody else, and I really did it
Yeah, you've done
solo.
Seven Sundays.
Yeah, a lot of movies on my own. So,
Yeah.
of course, it felt weird, different, but it wasn't so alien to me.
This was really refreshing.
Super.
Kasi parang talagang walang ka-love team, ikaw lang talaga, and you're with a bunch of crazy people.
Yeah, we just have fun, di ba?
Yeah.
So walang masyadong iyakan, puro tawanan lang.
Ganon yung vibe niya.
Yeah.
Pero why daw Thailand? Direct. Lilit.
Kasi doon nangyari yung napagkambal ng porn after yung kasama ko. And at the same time, nung panahon ng mga... Kasi yung porn ngayon, libre na eh. Nung panahon ng 90s, sikat yung Thailand as a pleasure place. Saka tumira ako doon, so alam ko yung era of Bangkok during that time.
May first-hand experience ka naman pala, lilit doon.
Mahirap kasi
Sa local.
maging Dax pag 90s.
Okay, thank you, Chad, for your question. Next is from Nikki from Arambulo Live. For Enrique, was deciding to make your big comeback and work on the film something you had in mind for a long time? Or was there a pivotal moment that you experienced that led you to become ready to return to acting?
Well, ever since before, I've always wanted to do films that I like watching. Not necessarily like comedy, but in my mind, yeah, I really want to do a crazy adventure comedy movie, which this is the one. And yeah, Hangover and stuff. You know, I'm a big fan of comedies. Kasi. So I've always wanted to have that in my list of projects na gagawin ko, and more other genres pa. So when this came up, and I was like, yes, I need to do this, and I think it's time. Especially, everyone's coming back. The pandemic ended. Everyone's starting to open up and go back to watching films, and yeah, I think it's just nice to do something different, something exciting.
Saka sa mga singles sa Valentine's, no? Perfect tong
Oo, I mean lahat, single.
Barkada actually.
Barkada, kahit wala kayong, sabi nga nila, pag wala silang maisip, kung gusto mo i-date isang girl,
Right.
it's the perfect, excuse.
Right. So, may sabihin ka, buhay.
Pwede ko rin sama yung parents, no?
Oo.
Sure ka ba dyan?
Oo, pwede.
Yes.
Pwede.
Manonood din si mama.
Sigurado ba? Totoo ba?
Yeah, sorry mom.
You know what, MJ, I'd like to add lang din. Kasi baka iniisip ng mga tao, it's all male na nasa cast. But you know what, when I watched it, tas pag pinapanood din namin, kasi pinanood namin siya sa mga taga AFPI din.
Okay.
Yung mga females talaga, grabe nag-react din talaga.
Tawang-tawa din sila.
Tawang-tawa din talaga sila. It's really, hindi dahil male yung cast namin, it's just for the birds and the big birds.
Right.
It's also for the bird lovers.
Yes!
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 Totoo.
Talaga.
As in, it's for everyone,
Kasi
especially...
yung parents din naman namin, pinanganak kami dahil sa birds, so they will not get it.
Kukay, what happened to you guys? Parang hindi ganyan pagkakakilala ko sa inyo kapag nag-NMA tayo.
Influensya ng kuya.
Ay,
At saka,
Crazy.
If I may add lang
Chari.
to Kukay, when we were developing kasi the script, the story,
si Chari parang ang bait-bait eh, so hindi ko ma-imagine na nanonood siya ng ayang
Hindi halata.
Ay, hindi halata.
like I said, when we were developing the story of Big Bird, we wanted to do a comedy that would transcend to all genders. Yung hindi lang ma-enjoy ng mga lalaki, but at the same time, ma-enjoy ng mga babae, ng queer people, everybody across, and the whole family. Kasi gusto namin na yung lahat tatawa. At saka gusto namin hindi yung may ma-offend kami. We want everybody to have fun when they watch Big Bird.
Pero bakit gano'n ang name ni Pepe? Hindi ko masabi, I can't say.
May age, pwede mo sabihin may age
Pwede mo
naman
sabihin.
yun.
Pepe,
Parang
siya
Java
paliwanag.
Titi.
Fraja?
Titi.
Oo. TT with an H.
Spell.
T-I-T-H-I.
Ah. Sino nag-isip nun? Joe Michael?
Tinitig natin mga manunulat.
Hindi Castito yan eh.
Hindi kasi sa Thailand talaga, yung mga names nila, hindi naman sila Western names.
Right.
So maraming mga names sa kanila na parang we find
Funny.
Oo, pero they mean something else. Like yung name ni Pepe doon, it means na happy-go-lucky. Oo, so pagka tinuloy, happy-go-lucky, T.
Okay.
Yung,
Alam mo yon, Pepe?
ayoko lang naririnig yun. Sir Joe, for sharing ha.
Pangalan ni Pepe, pati in real life, tapos sa character niya, hindi ko na rin maintindihan.
Ewan ko kung nag-gets niyo yun. Ay, nako. Ranvel, huwag mo na isama yun. Nico, you've done so many different roles in your career. What's your ultimate dream role that you hope to play one day? Naks naman. Sa'yo pa talaga tong question.
Oo, wala naman pang masyadong mga nagawang role. Pangalawang beses ko nga gumanap na gay role. Una yung para kang papa mo. Siyempre yung gusto ko naman action comedy. Yung mga ganun. Try naman, makahawak naman ng baril para lalaki. Matigas.
Para maiba naman, di ba?
Oo, para maiba.
Okay, may mga friends tayo here inside the theater that wants to ask question. Alex Brosses from the Daily Tribune is here. Alex, can you ask your question na?
I forgot na. Can you ask it?
Okay, no
Andito
problem.
daw.
Ito na.
Sorry.
Alex, can I do it?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Nandito na daw eh.
Ang ganda ng question ni Alex, actually. No, because I haven't. But yeah. It's really funny.
Oh yeah.